In this video, just we'll see how to check a domain and hosting and how to register the domain. Okay. So for checking that one, there is one platform called namecheck.com. So here, whatever the domain name you are searching, so here will be multiple extension. So just you can check whether that extension is available or not. So here just you can see like these are the extension .com, .net, .org, .co, .page. So a lot of extensions are there. Okay. And if you want to register the domain, so first of all you need to check the availability of that domain, whether that domain is available or not. If it is not available with the particular extension, then you need to search with the other extension as well. So what we'll do just here, we'll be taking any random name and just we'll be checking whether the particular domain extension is available or not. So what I'll do just here, I'll type digital mania. Okay, so this is the word I have taken for the for registering a domain. So just let's check whether it is available or not. So now guys, here you can see the multiple colors it is coming. Some is coming in black color, some extensions are coming in green color, and some are coming in blue color, right? So whatever the extension which is coming in black color, this domain is not available with this name, with this website name or domain name, right? But whatever the extensions it is showing it's in green color, yes, certainly you can register this domain as well. And here the pink color just you are able to see, that means it is the premium one. So for that one you need to pay a high amount for purchasing that domain. Okay, so this is the first method. And another thing, if you want to check this domain availability individually, so just you can search in Google like domain service providers in India. So just I'll be typing domain service provider in India. Okay, so here just we can see these are the multiple site name it's coming with the ID extension. So somewhere this company they are doing promotion for themselves, and here if you scroll down, so yes we can see the multiple companies over here. So you can prefer any one of this one, and in fact bigrock.in it's a good site to purchase. So just you can click on this one, and in fact you can come over here, you can click on this and you can check. So the multiple option we can see over here. Okay, so for example GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is the famous one, it's a branded company, and in fact somewhere we have seen this company's advertisement as well. So for checking the domain, so what you need to do, simply the same word you will be typing over here, like digital, and you have to type the particular extension name like .com, .org, to which what you are searching for. Then click on search domain. So here it will be searching whether that domain is available or not, and if it is available, so what you can do. So yes, here now we can see digitalmania.com is taken. So someone has taken, but on the right side we can see the broker service fee. So here we just one message you can see, we still might be able to get it for you. So yes, of course this domain can be purchased, but some broker they have already purchased this domain and they are reselling it after taking some profit, right? So for taking this domain, you need to pay somewhere around 4,000 rupees, and some tax and commission will be there. So it may be 4,500 or 5,000 you'll have to pay. Otherwise, if you don't want to get this one, so by default, this site it will be auto suggesting some name. So if this domain is not available, so with the other domain just you can prefer, you can go on, and if you feel okay, so you can purchase it. So by default it is suggesting us digitalmania.co.in, and this domain is available within 100 rupees. and digitalmania.xyz, again it is available in 100 rupees. So normally a domain, it starts minimum 100 rupees and it can go in lakhs as well. Lakhs, that means for some domain you have to pay 5 lakh, for some domain you have to pay 20 lakh, in fact it is, right? So how, if the famous name and the short name, if you will be selecting, so yes, certainly for that one you will have to pay a high amount, because those domain it comes in premium version. So for checking that domain, what we'll do, just any simple word or famous word we'll type over here, cricket.com. Okay, this one I'm searching for, and again it will be showing us the some default name and auto suggestions. So yes, here we can see cricket online. So here we can see the domain price of this one. It is going in lakhs. Okay, some domain it is going more than 50,000. So like that way, it depends on the domain, and it depends on the name that you are selecting. Or in fact, one more domain I would like to show you. So here, just for example, this domain I am typing Eduvilla. So again, you can see the price of this one. This domain is available, but for this one you have to pay a high amount. So like that way, and just you can go and you can prefer this one. Okay. So this is GoDaddy. The same thing it will be happening. You can go in other sites like Big Rock Solutions over here, and you will be typing your word or domain name, and simply it will be suggesting you something. So here again you can see the multiple domain name and their prices as well. And if you want to purchase any of the domain, so what you have to do, you have to click on buy or add cart. You have to create your profile over here in this website, and after that, by using net banking or debit or credit card, you have to pay online, and certainly that the domain will be yours. Okay. So one domain for maximum you can purchase 10 years. Okay, the duration, maximum duration for the domain is 10 years, and minimum it depends on you for 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so if you're purchasing a domain for 1 year, so every year you have to do a renewal for the domain. And if you're purchasing for the 10 years, so don't need to do renewal every year. So it is up to you. So for that one, simply it is as like a simple doing online shopping. So certainly, if you'll purchase this domain, so in your account it will be showing the active domain as well. And in fact, from one account you can purchase multiple domain. And guys, if you want to purchase a free domain, I mean, you want to take a free domain, so there is a site called freenom.com. So from here, just you can take a free domain for your site as well, and that you can integrate with the hosting. So again, you have to create your account over here, and simply just you can see the domain which you have taken over here. So once again, if you want to check the availability, so simply you can come here and you can type the domain name and just click on check availability. So yes, guys, here just you can see the free domain you will be getting over here. It won't be in the extension like .com, .org, .in, because all this extension it comes in the premium version. But if you are taking for the practice purpose, so yes, here this type of extension you will be getting totally free like .tk, .ml, .ga, .cf, .gq. So for that one, maximum you can take it for 1 year, and if you'll be selecting get it now, so yes, the duration it will be asking to you, and after that you have to click on checkout, and once again you have to create your account over here in this platform. So from here just you can see the period, so just minimum for the 3 months you can take it. And if you click on this drop down button, so here up to 12 months you can take it free. So for 1 year this domain totally you can take it free as well. Okay, so for this one you don't need to pay. And after that just you can see in your dashboard whatever the domain you have registered from this platform. So like that way, you can select a domain and you can purchase it from the different service providers.